How to enter date and timestamps in Excel. We'll look at how to enter date and timestamps, which will display the date and time when they're entered. So these date and timestamps will remain the same regardless of any changes that you make in Excel. And we'll also look at how to enter date and timestamps that do change to reflect the correct date and time if you're making changes in Excel. Let's first look at the date and timestamps that don't change. So these are useful to show when data is entered into Excel or when a task is completed. If you're using a Windows computer, select the cell you want the date stamp to be in, hold down Control and press semicolon, then press Enter, and that will display the date. If you're using a Mac, hold down Control and colon. If you want to stamp in the time, select the cell you want the time to be in, hold down Control, Shift and semicolon, and then press Enter, and that will display the time. And if you're using a Mac, hold down Control, Shift and colon. If you want to enter the date and the time, select the cell you want these to be in, hold down Control and press semicolon, then press the space bar on your keyboard and press Control, Shift and then semicolon and press Enter. And then this will display the date and time. And then if you're using a Mac, hold down Control and colon, press the space bar and then press Control, Shift and colon. You might have to format these cells to show the correct date and time layout. So if you do, select the cell or the row, right click and choose Format Cells, choose Custom on the left here, and then find the type that shows the date and time like this, or the layout that you prefer. To display a live date and time in Excel that alters when data is inputted into Excel to show the current date and current time, type in the equal symbol, type in now, add in the open brackets, then the close brackets and press Enter. And that will show you the date and the time. But to show just the date, type in the equal symbol, type in today, add in the open brackets, then the close brackets and press Enter. And these will change when Excel is refreshed to show the current time and date.